Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today's video is showing you how to do a double layer card using the Rays of Light and the Paradise Palms. So I use this one, the Rays of Light, it's a background stamp, and the Paradise Palms stamp set, and the palms die. So they look like this. I store them together with a magnetic sheet here to keep them together. Let's get started. You're going to start with a card base that measures 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm going to fold that and grab my bone folder. Make that nice and smooth. Then you're going to have two pieces of basic white that are, let's do it this way, 3 3/4 by 5, 2 3/4 by 4, and 1/16. Just a tick over 4, excuse me. Here's the secret. You're going to use some removable adhesive. I use the Herma. You can do any type of removal. Just put a little bit there, and you want to center it here because you're going to take it off and frame it with the black, if that makes sense. So I'm going to bring out my Stamparatus, which I already mounted the Rays of Light stamp on here, and I have a mark here to where the paper goes because I planned it for my card class. We're going to get some crushed curry ink. I'm going to get my lovely case there so I can ink it up really well all the way around. Sorry for the shaking. I think that's good. I'm going to ink it on here. Press firmly, completely, the whole thing. And let's see how it looks. Looks good. I'm just going to put a little bit more. I want mine just to be a little bit darker. A little more ink. Let's do it one more time. Press, press, press. Ta-da! And it's okay that these are white because you're going to cover it up. I'm going to take that off, set this aside, and then we're going to use some Memento ink to do the palm trees. I'll put this right here to remind you. So I'll start with the big palm tree here. Just let it overlap a little bit on the side. Let's do it this way. And then the smaller one, I'm going to kind of overlap it here. There, that's good. Then let's get the trunk of the tree, but I don't want it on this side, so I'm going to just remove it here, ink up the trunk, and do one. Let's do this way, and let's do the opposite, and this way. All right. Oh, don't forget my sentiment. Right there in the middle of the sunburst. There you go. Then I have these two pieces. Then I have two pieces of basic black that are 4 by 5 1/4 and 3 by 4 3/16. So we're going to adhere it. Let me get my Stampin' Sale Plasti on the top for the top to remind me how to return it. And do you see how it covers up that? And put a little in each corner. This is my taping technique. And then some more on this side. And ta-da! You've created the illusion of a double stamping, which you didn't do. You only stamped once. Isn't that a great look? Alright, so all I need now is just these lovely greenery that I use the dies to cut out. So I'm going to break out some glue. And let's glue that on first. So the black first, and I think that this one is the Evening Evergreen, just to give it a little color so it's not just all completely black. And I'm just going to layer it here. And then all I need to do is place it on my card base and center that so it really pops with the white there. Alright, so what do you think? Isn't that a cool card? I'm going to put my top back before I forget and lose it. So thank you for letting me share this with you. This double layer stamping is one of my favorite techniques. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Please like the video if you'd like, subscribe if you want to keep getting these video tutorials, and have a great day. Bye.